Hi everyone! If you are still guessing about UX, stop it right now because today we are diving into how to measure UX like a pro. Spoiler alert, great UX isn't just about a luck, it's about data. So grab your coffee, your notebook, or maybe your even favorite stress ball because once you see the numbers, you will wondering why you even designing without them. Image you just designing a beautiful new app. It's look like amazing, sleek and modern. But there is one tiny problem. No one can figure out how to use it. Ouch. That's how happens when UX isn't measured. Measuring UX isn't just about fancy charts and numbers. It's about understanding your users and making data-driven decisions. If you don't measure it, you cannot improve it. Simple as that. Most people think of it as a UX metrics is three buckets. Business metrics, think ROE, NPS, growth rate. Basically, they are making money. Products metrics, bounce rate, retention, conversion rate. They are people using these things. Type of data. User experience metrics, time on a task, SUS scores. Those tell us, are users happy or are they about to throw their keyboard out of the window? But I like to take it further. Why? Because UX doesn't exist in a vacuum. It depends connection to the business goal. If UX is bad, business suffer. If UX is good, magic happens. Here a crash course on the most important UX metrics that will tell you if your product is a dream or a disaster. Time on task measures how long it takes users to complete a specific task. A lower time generation indicators better usability. Why it matters? If tasks take too long, users get frustrated and abandon them. Benchmark, keep it under 1.5 the expected time. Example, if booking a flight takes over 5 minutes instead of 2, something is wrong. Task success rate, the percent of the users who successfully complete a task without errors. Why it's matter? A low success rate signals a usability problem. Benchmark, 90% and more is a win. Example, if only 60% of users can complete a signal process, there's friction in the flow. Error rate. Measure how often users make mistakes during key tasks. Why is matter? A high error rate indicates confusing interface or pure guidance. Benchmark, less than 5% errors. Example, if 20% of users accidentally delete the account instead of logging out, there is a serious problem. Quick motivation break. As Jared Poole once said, good design, when it's done well, becomes invisible. It's only when it's done poorly that we have noticed it. Translation? If your UX is amazing, people won't even think about it. But it is bad, ooh, they will let you know loudly in all caps. Okay, let's back. NPS gauges how likely users are to recommend your products on the scale of 0 to 10. Why it matter? A strong indicator of customer satisfaction and loyalty. Benchmark, 50 plus is a golden. Example, if most users rate your products below 7, they wouldn't recommend it, meaning your UX needs work. System usability scale, a 10-question survey used to evaluate the overall usability of a product. Why it matters? Standardized way to measure perceived usability. Benchmark, aim to 80 and more out of the 100. Example, if your product score 50, users find it frustrating to use. Retention rate, the percentage of users who return after a given period, a week, a month. Why it matter? Indicates if your products proves a long-term value. Benchmark, 70% and more after 1 week is amazing. Example, if only 20 users return after a week, your UX isn't engaging enough. Conversion rate. Measure how many users complete a key actions like signing up or making a purchase. Why is matter? A low conversion rate suggests friction in the user's journey. Benchmark. 2 to 5% is a normal. 10% and more is a dream. Example, if only 1% of the visitors buy a product, your checkout process might be too complex. Remember, benchmarks very depends on the products, but those numbers give you a great starting point. Now let's talk about what happens when UX is ignored. Missed potential. A great product with a bad UX is like a Ferrari without an engine. Wasted time. Bad UX is the same as a frustration users and the same expensive fixes. Trust me, redesigning later is a way costlier than doing it the right first time. Lost revenue. If people cannot complete purchase or sign up, say goodbye to the profits. Abandoned products. If users get frustrations within 2 minutes, they are out and they are not coming back. Unhappy users. If people struggle, they leave and they will probably rant about it online jigs. So, stop guessing and start measuring. UX isn't just about making things pretty, it's about creating seamless, intuitive experience that drives real results. Let me know in the comments which UX metrics do you swear by. Also, if you find out this useful, hit the like button and subscribe for more UX goodness. That's all for today. Now, let's go out there and design something awesome. Thanks for watching.